given the reaction 4 moles of ammonia plus 5 moles of O2 to give 4 moles of NO plus 6 moles of H2O. We're to find how many moles of water will be produced if 10 moles of ammonia react. Very simple. So here's how we go about it. We're comparing ammonia and water, and we can see here that 4 moles of ammonia produces 6 moles of water. That we can see from the equation of reaction. So what you have to do here is 10 moles of ammonia would then produce X moles of water. But you must be sure to have balanced this equation before you can use this proportion. Okay, so ensure that that equation is balanced and you're good to go. So this one is pretty easy. Your X here would be equal to this figure multiplied by the one across divided by the one at the back, and that gives you 10 times 6 over 4. So when you solve that out, your X is going to be equal to 15. So that's it, 15 moles of water. Alright, so that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Get ready for question 7. Bye.